Hey y'all, it's your girl Everything's Tay here, and I'm back with another video. Today I did a photo shoot. My photographer was Devin, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my outfit. So this is the third outfit that I have on right now. I have on this nice like reddish burgundy coat. I got this from Plato's Closet, and I paired it with some black jeans and some black boot heels, knee-high heels. And we just went with the Christmas theme. So earlier I had on white with some red pants and like a white furry vest. It was really cute, but I just love doing photo shoots, and my photographer, he's very well at helping me get my looks together, and just making the vision come alive. So this was the Christmas outfit photo shoot. And yeah, so you want to catch me here on my YouTube channel at Everything's Tay. That's Everything's with a Z, Tay. I do hair, makeup, vlogs, a little bit of snippets of my photo shoot, and some day in the life. So I hope you all like my outfit that I chose to do a photo shoot in today for Christmas, and I hope to see you on my channel. And make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Happy holidays! It's a week before Christmas. Hey guys, it's your girl Everything's Tay.
Oh, you talking this time?
Huh?
I was gonna do a B-roll of your outfit first.
Oh.
Like I did last time.
Oh.
That's okay.
Go ahead and do that. I didn't know that's what you're doing. Yeah, you're ready when I'm ready? All right. Can I say your name, Devin? Huh? Oh. You know you got to edit it. I'm gonna start over. Hey y'all, it's Everything's Tay again, and we're here doing another photo shoot with Devin. This time, haha. No, kind of Christmassy, kind of. I just like to. Devin, what are you doing? Okay. Testing. Testing. Yay. I flipped it so I can see. One hitter quitter. The third outfit that I have on that we shot with, in. Oh, Devin, this is not good. I'm gonna start over. Huh? Very well at. Is that where I left off? It was just. Yeah. All right. I don't know.